Welcome back friends, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel. And in this video we are going to show you guys how you can easily fix projecting to this PC feature disabled problem in Windows 10. So let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is you have to click on Windows icon and go to setting, and then click on system, and then go to project to this PC option. And here you see you have your option disabled, so we are going to enable that. So now you need to click on this optional feature, just click on it, and after that just click on add a feature button, and here you need to search the wireless display and just check that box and click on install. And it will take some time, and after that this feature will install in your Windows 10. And one more thing, you need to consider that your Wi-Fi is connected at that time and it is working, so that you are able to install this feature on your Windows 10. One more thing, if you haven't subscribed our KW Tech official YouTube channel, kindly subscribe our channel for more videos like that. So here you see it is installed successfully. So now what we need to do is we need to click on this back icon, and here you see we haven't enabled that option. We go to settings, and then go to system, and then again go to projecting to this PC option. And here you see now options are available. Just click on launch the connect app for this PC, and now just open your device that you want to wirelessly display to this screen. So I just turn on my phone and go to casting option and select this desktop. And here you see my cell phone is successfully connected to this wireless display. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.